Welcome to the Man Greens review. Here, we have answer to all your questions. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel. Man Greens review. Will this support healthy testosterone levels? Man Greens supplement is the first scientifically proven product made exclusively focusing on men's health. Men always tend to look for alternative ways to find out supplements for their gym workouts. But they don't realize that all these products deplete their testosterone level, which is very vital for satisfying a woman. Read further to know what Man Greens supplement can do to your body and mind. Man Greens supplement can help you bring out the best that is hidden inside you. About Man Greens supplement. Man Greens pills are clinically proved supplement that is a mixture of superfoods and ingredients best known for potency, and it is clinically tested as effective. The ingredients were used 6,000 years ago by ancient Ayurveda and are used in the current world that will help in boosting a man's testosterone level without provoking other hormonal balance. It was mentioned in Kamasutra, an ancient guide to amazing sex, that this supplement was used to ramp up libido. Your energy and libido will be restored to a level that was like in your teenage. In this Man Greens supplement review, we might be able to shine a light on the subject. This is a natural and completely safe supplement that gives men the strength and virility of a stallion. About the manufacturer of Man Greens pills. Chad Howes, the manufacturer of Man Greens supplements, took 1 year of his life to research natural ways to boost health. He is the author of Man Diet, one of the best-selling books for men to increase their testosterone level. The Man Greens reviews suggest that the people who have used the supplement have seen a positive change in their health. The last 7 years of his life were helpful for men as he helped 1,000s to boost their level of testosterone and energy level. He has been doing everything to be better in his own life, but all the things that the doctors prescribed him to do and gave him no end result. Following a veggie diet or hitting the gym regularly was nothing fruitful. He then decided to research for a year and introduced Man Greens capsules to the world, which is 100% natural and fast effective. How does Man Greens work? Man Greens Chad Howes works very fast to increase our testosterone levels naturally. Man Greens will alleviate the toxins in our body that cause a low level of testosterone. Thus increased testosterone level will increase more libidos, the overall performance of the body, improves metabolism, boosts energy and a night of better sleep. Your voice will improve and muscles gain shape. That's not all, it keeps the level of other hormones at optimum. Let's discuss more in this Man Greens pills review. Does it really help to boost testosterone? There are a lot of other products similar to Man Greens capsules in attire, but does not perform at least 50% like Man Greens and is available in the market at a cheaper rate. But the unique difference is that none of them is natural, and they will increase the estrogen level in the body, which means testosterone level will decrease. Man Greens is 100% natural and have no ingredients that increase even 1% of the estrogen. Only the testosterone level increases in a faster way. Pros and cons of Man Greens capsule. In this unbiased Man Greens review, you must know both the pros and cons of the Man Greens supplement. While the pros are more in number, cons are limited. Pros: simple and powerful product to increase testosterone levels faster. The product helps you boost libido at your bed. Man Greens promote energy and vitality in the body. Boosts immunity and overall health of the body. Stress hormones are triggered to keep stress at a minimum and improve the quality of your sleep. 365 days long money back guarantee after you try the product for 6 months. Only natural ingredients are used for making the supplement. No side effects at all for the product. Cons: even though there is a money-back guarantee, if you are not satisfied, then you will have to pay the shipping cost. You must consult a physician before consuming this product and find if there is any ingredient that will have an adverse allergic reaction on you. Commitment is needed to see positive results. Conclusion: Man Greens supplement review will show you a perfect product that has been formulated thoroughly to benefit its users from the very first minute. The 100% natural ingredients will help your body to increase testosterone level, boost libido, increased energy level, provides better sleep, and improved metabolism. It's not a scam that will ruin your health and swallow your money. All you have to do is use ClickBank as the online platform to buy your authentic product. So what is the point of using other programs if the right amount of burning doesn't happen after doing heavy workouts? Man Greens supplement price will be $79 for a single bottle and $207 for 3 bottles. With the 1-year warranty provided, I think you should try it and see for yourself how effective this legitimate product is. Hurry up, you might be the last bottle owner. More information, check the description link. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.